Annyeonghaseyo. Bugs. Ako lang ba or pati kayo din napapaisip kayo na, oh my god, ano kaya ginagawa ng mga favorite K-drama actors offset? Ano ba kaya itsure ng buhay nila? Naghuhugas ba sila ng tubig gamit tap water or Evian? Anyway, if you're a fan of Korean reality TV shows like Anan Hyungnim or Running Man, there's a new one available now at Disney Plus, and it's called My Name is Gabriel. Sino ba to si Gabriel Chase? Actually, yung show na to, it's been going on nung June 21 pa, pero sorry, ngayon ko lang dinirito. My Name is Gabriel is where all Korean actors, hosts, comedians, even dancers get together and they swap their lives for 72 hours with a random stranger like you and I. I'm 100% sure some of these faces are very familiar. So if you plan on watching this, make sure to put this on your watch list. It's streaming now on Disney Plus. Kaya anong inaantay mo? Magpuyat na tayo sa Disney Plus. Kaka-Disney